Hello guys, welcome to this video and we are going to discuss about control structure in Java. So first we are going to discuss the Java if else statement. So in this example we have these three example. We have if statement, if else statement, if else if statement. So ano ba ang kaibahan sa tatlong to? So unahin natin yung if statement. So yung if statement guys is yung structure niya is isang block of F, no. So yung F niya is may condition at saka may statement dito sa loob. So yung condition niya is nagche-check lang siya na yung age niya ay greater or equal to 18. So yung value ng age natin is 19. So if age is equal greater or equal to 19, check niya if true or false. If true, if result niya is true. If true is execute niya yung true, yung mag-prepare siya ng true. So if false, hindi siya mag-execute. So try natin mag-run. So dito yung output niya is true kasi yung condition natin true. So pag lagay natin tong 17, try natin ulit. So wala siyang output kasi hindi siya greater or equal to 18. So yun yung if statement. So simple lang, meron lang ng isang curly brace na block. So ito nag-run lang siya ng code dito. If true, pwede din gamitin natin ng not if not greater than, no? So if not greater than ito, so if lagyan natin ng false, so false na value, saka if lower than age is lower than 18, check natin. So false kasi yung condition natin is true. So ayun guys, so yung next naman natin na example guys is else statement. So yung if else statement guys is lagyan natin ng 20 dito. Yung else if statement guys, mayroon siyang else dito sa kabila. Bali dalawang block na siya. Yung true at saka yung false. So dito is magpe-print siya ng false, either or ito is false. So if true guys, magpe-print siya ng true. So if false, magpe-print siya ng false. So system.out.print so true statement, and then copy natin, lagay natin sa baba false. So ayan guys, meron na tayong statement ng if else. So yung age is check niya kasi isang condition lang to, check niya if greater than or equal to 18. If true, ipiprint niya yung true. If false, ipiprint niya yung false. Check natin. So yan, kasi yung condition natin is nag-satisfy siya, nagiging true kasi yung age natin is 20, kaya yung condition natin is true. So lagyan natin ibang value na to ng 16, run natin ulit. So nagiging false kasi yung age natin is not greater than 18, is less than. So lagay natin ng check natin. So yung ibahin natin yung condition. If yung age natin is less than 18 or ayan, try natin, nagiging true siya kasi yung condition niya is true. So dito siya mapo-fall. So ayun guys, so tapos na tayo sa if statement, if else statement. pupunta naman tayo sa ibang if else if statement. So sa example dito guys, meron na siyang else, dalawang condition na dito guys. So yan guys. So ang condition niya, yung condition niya dito guys. So dalawang ano na to. So dalawang condition niya. So dalawang condition ang i-check niya. So we have this statement, first statement, second statement, second condition, first condition, second condition, and this is the third block. So 1, 2, and 3. So dito guys, meron na tayong dalawang condition at saka tatlong block. So print natin yung true. So if check natin yung age niya is greater siya ng 18, if greater than 18, so print niya ng true. If age niya is equal to double equal to 18, to 20, print niyang true. 16 lang, 16 specific yung condition na to is specific na 16 talaga yung age niya. So print niya ng true. So ayan guys. So check natin, run natin ulit. So yung output niya is true kasi yung age niya ay true. So print niya ng true kasi yung age natin is 16. So hindi naman siya greater than or equal, so false dito. So skip niya yung block na to, so papunta siya sa second condition. So second condition, check niya yung age niya ay 16. If it is equal to 16, so kasi yung value natin is 16, so yung condition niya is true. So kaya siya nag-print ng true. So at saka kasi nag-execute kasi na-execute na yung block na to, hindi na siya pupunta sa else na block kasi nag-true na siya dito. So ayun guys, magbigay tayo ng ibang value. So value natin dito is 25. Yung 25 natin ng age is i-check niya yung sa first condition na F statement. So age is greater than or equal to 18. So, yung condition niya is true. So try natin na mag-print. So true. Yan. So ayun guys, so that's all for this video guys. I hope you will learn a lot of in this tutorial. So we are discuss about if statement, if else statement, or if else statement. So you can research more about another example of these statements. This is one of the control structure. So you can research more and practice more about this. So marami kayong matutunan dito guys. See you on the next video guys.